Assalamu alaikum.
Hello, Assalamualaikum Assalam.
How are you?
ZABFM.
So, over the years, how do you think ZABIST has changed?
Oh, it has changed tremendously. We started with 2 programs and now we have got 40 plus programs. We have around 16,000 alumni who are working and are associated in every part of the world, in every continent. It's Australia, America, Karachi, Dubai. I mean, you name it and you'll get our chapter, alumni chapter there.
Right. So that's very well actually. So, how was the event today?
It went very nice. We were actually celebrating 25 years of BBA program, and we invited alumni from 1998 to 2001. And mashallah, the turn up was nice, and people were happy. We were happy to host them, and it was an amazing session.
Okay. So, if you had 3 words to describe ZABIST and the alumni of ZABIST, what words would they be?
Engagement, connectivity, respect, ambassadors.
3 words.
Oh, I cannot describe my alumni in 3 words. But yeah, they are our ambassadors, and we are happy to meet them and host them always.
Right. Thank you so much. That was fantastic.